In this video, we are going to discuss about the what do you mean by solid representation, then what are the interior, exterior and closure of the solids, and what do you mean by geometrical closure. Basically, the solid representation of an object is the idea that if we consider a n-dimensional space, then any solid can be divided into two portions, that is interior and exterior of the object, and that object is separated by the boundary. From this point of view, any solid model can be defined as the set of data points that can be known as the point set S. Here we are representing the solid by S in the three-dimensional space which is having n dimension. That space is known as the Euclidean space E. So now solid is the combination of interior plus exterior features. That's why S which is equal to solid, hence solid is equal to IS union BS, where IS is the interior points and BS is the boundary set. But the universal data set or universal solid is represented as IS union BS union CS, where CS is the complementary set of IS and BS, that is CS is the complementary set of interior points plus boundary points. Now we will see interior, exterior and closure of the solid. Take the following example. Consider a sphere having unit dimension. Then the interior points of that sphere is represented as x square plus y square plus z square, which is less than 1. Whatever the points are there inside the sphere, that points will satisfy this equation, that is x square plus y square plus z square is less than 1. Hence the interior points are shown like this. Boundary points. The boundary is defined by x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. All the boundary points are satisfying this equation. Hence this is the boundary equation or boundary curve. Then total solid, as we have seen that the full solid is represented as combination of interior plus boundary points. So the combination of less than and equal to sign is less than or equal to. Hence the solid sphere is having equation with its closure as x square plus y square plus z square less than or equal to 1. Hence this is the total solid representation, in which it is the combination of sphere plus the boundary section. Then we will see geometrical closure. The universal set is defined as IS union BS union CS, where CS is the complementary set of interior points and boundary points. Now consider the Euclidean space, that is the n-dimension space, which is shown by this figure, and it is denoted as a epsilon. Then consider the complementary set, which is denoted by this portion, and the solid section, which is denoted by this green color. Then our complete solid is the combination of interior plus boundary points which are mounted in the complementary set. So that's why equation is IS union BS is the total solid. Hence our solid should lie in the space which is having some boundary and which are having some interior points. In this way we can represent the solid. So the conclusion is, to represent solid we should have three quantities. First, we should have interior points, we should have boundary points, and we should have the n dimension space. So this is the solid representation. Thank you.